Okay, perfect. I think we
Awesome.
can kickstart the session. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, hello everyone. We are delighted to host today's pitching session by InnMind. Despite summer season, SEC week in Brussels, and also summer deep, we're delighted to see strong projects today, active VCs that still searching gems in the space and deploying capital. Um, I'm Svetlana VC, analyst at InnMind. I will co-moderate today's event. Also, I would like to introduce Yanis again, my colleague VC and analyst at InnMind also. So yeah, today we will kick off this speech session, and suppose we can already start. Yeah, we start with introduction of participating VCs. I will start with Valeria from Webwise, our one of the most wonderful partners in mind, and we are so delighted to see every time Valeria with us. So yeah, would be great to hear a short introduction about Webwise VC. Hey Valeria, are you with us?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Svetlana. Thank you for inviting us. So just a couple words about our company. I guess probably most of our participants have already known that, but I will repeat. Since 2017, we have been operating in the cryptocurrency sphere. We have an asset management fund that manages funds providing liquidity in DeFi. Also, we have a cross-chain protocol that is currently entering the market. And speaking about the interest of our fund, we are interested in infrastructure projects, in DeFi projects, as well as projects related to RWA. Additionally, we are open to considering NFT projects that utilize technology beyond just images. Our interest spans both equity and tokenized investments, with particular attention to projects with clear business models that can demonstrate how they can generate revenue. And we are interested in startups at the seed stage and beyond. We do not exclude the possibility of considering pre-seed projects also. And we have recently launched our own launchpad. So I guess that's major things to
Awesome
mention.
intro. Yeah, thanks a lot, Valeria. Also, I would introduce VCs that watching our pitch session online. It's Sunil from Circle Fund, Vicky from Chain Capital, Stefan from Creeks Capital, Joy from Landrenus Fund. Also, London Real Ventures will join in 30 minutes due to delay. Also, we have with us right now Nicholas from GDA Capital, who is in non-speaking mode right now. So yeah, busy season with SEC week, but we're happy to kick off with our first pitch. I'm delighted to introduce you. Oh, by the way, I see that Vicky is joining. Let's say hi. Hi, Vicky. Delighted to see you. Thanks for joining. Do you hear us? Okay. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I suppose we can kick off. So the first pitch, ZayaAI. So I suppose, Christian, you can start to share your screen. Let us check that
Yes,
everything.
thank you, Svetlana. Just a second to share my screen. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Good. Can I start, yeah?
Yeah, let's start. Let's kick off. Go on.
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Christian Mogodic. I'm one of the co-founders of ZayaAI, together with Professor Dr. Sabina Zorac, head of pathology department in one of the biggest hospitals in Bucharest. I founded ZayaAI 4.5 years ago with the mission to develop AI solutions for pathology diagnosis. Since then, we becoming and enlarging our vision to be a medical AI company that is providing medical professionals AI tools uh, that represent real-world assets and decentralized science in medical and AI fields. We have already generating revenues product. We have developed since then two AI models for diagnosis. One for tuberculosis diagnosis that will be used next year by Indonesian health authorities for a national program for screening of tuberculosis. We are starting a pilot with them this October. The secondary model is the one that diagnoses bladder cancer, more exactly urothelial carcinoma. This is the most, uh, let's say, the biggest uh, cancer in bladder tumor in bladder cancer. We publish research paper on it and perform very better in our first clinical test by performing better than human pathologists in identifying tumoral cells inside blood vessel. Beside these two AI models, we have a telepathology platform that is generating revenue today. We are providing remote diagnosis, pathology diagnosis for our clients. And also we launch in the last couple of months our laboratory information management system that is a sort of CRM for pathology labs. All of that represent an end-to-end solution for pathology labs, and we are going further from pathology to developing other solutions for other medical specialties. This is ZayaVerse. ZayaVerse means more than AI and software for pathology. It is, of course, a division of developing AI and software. We have already in Bucharest our own pathology lab. We, of course, has another division that is taking care of Web3 technologies and working and boosting AI with the Web3 technologies. And the next year, we will open a medical clinic as well. This is Web2 team composed by a mix of pathologists, machine learning engineers, and the business people. This is Web3 team made by advisors and professionals coming from VCs as Fabian and Danny, traders, marketing specialists, lawyers, and crypto people. This is our tokenomics. The stage of our projects in Web3 is that we are preparing for public listing. We completed seed and private rounds. We raised till today almost $500,000. We covered the entire public allocation of $1.2 million with 5 launch pads that are DAO Maker, Bullpex, Engine Starter, Comunitas, and Spores Network. And we are open for VC rounds, that is called strategic in our tokenomics, and the QLs round to be completed till TG. Because this summer is not so, let's say, good to launch a token, we postponed TG for September. And we are preparing for IDO between 16 and 23 September, and immediately then we are preparing for listing on exchanges in the last week of September if the market is stable. Good. Already we have a market maker. We are working with Skynet. We have a couple of contracts with centralized exchanges, BingX, Merci, and we are in negotiations with Gate.io, KuCoin, and HTX. What is Zaya token and why we are using a token? So we start with looking for technologies to use in our application to comply with ISO standards 27001 for cybersecurity and medical devices. And we considered blockchain as a solution for this. And from that point on, we realized that we can use and leverage Web3 and blockchain technologies to scale up ZayaAI and AI models and solutions. So we created a token, and practically every time our AI models are processing a case, we will generate a transaction in blockchain with the base of our token. So we are selling and acquiring the token from the market every time our AI models are generating revenues. Why? Because we are charging the clients pay per use. So every time our AI model is creating a process, we are charging the clients. So we are giving the users that are doctors, to the clients, to the patients as well, a lot of incentive and rewards for participation and use the token. And we have utilities that are coming from Web 2 as well as Web 3, burning mechanism, staking, and so on. The token is minted in BNB chain, and we have quite a good adoption. A couple of VCs that already invested in us, so Diana Ventures and Iron Capital from Dubai. Several hundreds other investors that
Christian,
invested.
sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, please.
I think we're getting over the 6-minute mark, so if you can,
I am done.
sum up.
I am
Yeah,
done.
perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, Christian, thanks a lot for awesome pitch. Yeah, I really like your project. So yeah, since a lot of VCs today kind of non-speaking mode, I will ask quickly probably some of attending VCs, probably Valeria or Vicky, have any questions or feedback. If not, we definitely will share investment opportunity of all participants today among 200 VC network. And I'm sure that today's project will gain a lot of attention and feedback. Also, yeah, I don't see any hands. So yeah, I suppose we can move forward. Thanks a lot again, Christian. Yeah, the next participant is GrowFitter. Let me check where is Sam. Yeah, I see. Hey, Sam. Do you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Yeah. How are you doing? Happy to see you. Yeah, I see your screen. So yeah, you can go ahead.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, guys. My name is Sam. I'm the co-founder and CEO of GrowFitter. We are one of the biggest marketplace for real-world assets and digital brands. We have 2 million plus app downloads. We also we are actually a revenue generating company, and we've already done $1.2 million in revenue in the last 1 year. And we have partnerships with more than 100 plus premium brands, you name it, and we have it, right from Puma, Jockey, Gillette, P&G, and big Web3 brands like Sandbox, Aptos. We've also recently partnered with Metis. We also got featured on a very famous TV show called Shark Tank in India. We also got a deal and got 5 million views on YouTube. Since then, we've been leveraging the Shark Tank, as well as we've also gotten some big celebrities to promote our brand. In India, we've got some big celebrities, including Ayushmann Khurrana, who's promoted our brand. To talk about our platform, it's very easy. We basically have partnered with 100 plus brands. We are a marketing platform where all the brands give us a real world rewards absolutely free for promotion, and we give that. We have now tokenized it on the blockchain, and we are giving it as free rewards to our users to do any activities like walking, running, cycling, and even engaging on games. Well, we studied a lot of Web3 projects, and we understood that most of them are more pump and dump, or when token is basically comes in the market, there is more supply pressure. So for the first time, we wanted to actually offer real world rewards and utility to the token. So let's say we launch our token for $1. The user can actually buy the token from the market and redeem a $5 Puma t-shirt, or a $100 Puma shoe for $20. So here neither the investors nor the retailers are burning the token. It's the brand that shall fund the token, and all these rewards are absolutely free. In fact, I'll also show you a video of my warehouse where we get all rewards absolutely free. But the second big utility for the token is the brand NFTs. So we've partnered with some big brands. Recently, we partnered with one of the biggest multiplex chain, where you just stake in our GFIT token and you can mint a 5 movie ticket NFT at almost 50% off. Not only that, you can also go to Starbucks. You can stake our token, get 25% off on coffee NFT vouchers. Similarly for travel, Uber, shoes, smartwatches, and many more. So here we are actually creating a real world utility where you stake our tokens and you get access to the brand NFTs. And the best part is that in case you have any unused vouchers or NFTs, you can actually sell them on the blockchain. So we are creating an additional revenue model. Let's say I have 5 movie tickets, I only use 2. I can sell those 3 NFTs on the blockchain. So this creates a very big revenue model for the brands as well. Going forward, we also want to launch our own app chain where we are actually going to use social logins like Instagram, Twitter with the brands. Whenever we launch a new product, we can actually create sentiment analysis on the blockchain and give data analytics to the brands users. We also collate a lot of health data of the users. They can actually monetize that data on the blockchain once we partner with insurance companies. We've actually done some big partnerships recently. We partnered with Aptos. We launched a big game on our app, as we already have 2 million app downloads. And we basically minted 100K wallets and 200K on-chain transactions just in 48 hours with our new NFT card game. The best part is that today we all know NFTs don't have real utility, but when we integrate it with real world rewards, so we have this cricket game where you have to just collect 5 unique NFT cards and you can redeem it for a real smartwatch. We up the game, and if you collect 20 NFT cards, you can redeem for a real world PlayStation 5. So we got a fantastic response. We've also done a big partnership with Sandbox where we are offering real world rewards with their NFTs, and also launched a quest on Sandbox where we offer triple farming with sand tokens, GFIT tokens, as well as real world rewards. We have already raised $2 million from marquee investors, right from Animoca, Kyber, Aptos, Blockchain Founders Fund, and Sandbox. We've already got approval from 3 centralized exchanges, KuCoin, Gate.io, MXC. We are planning to launch our token in the month of September. We are doing a pre-token round for $2 million. We've already got our existing investors participating like Animoca. We've got the best market makers, GSR and G20. We've got best in class advisors, Muhammad from the head of tokenomics of Animoca, Tobias from Blockchain Founders Fund, and Shaitoshi as well. So we're very fortunate, and we can just share, as I told you, I would love to share our small trailer of Shark Tank and then end it. So this is our small.
हाय शार्क्स, मेरा नाम सन्मति है,
मेरा नाम हर्षित है,
ये मेरा भांजा है,
ये मेरे मामा है।
सो शार्क्स, जैसे आपने देखा, ये कॉमन ह्यूमन बिहेवियर है। बिना मोटिवेशन के कोई कुछ काम नहीं करता।
इसीलिए हम लेकर आए हैं
ग्रोफिटर रिवॉर्ड्स ऐप, एक ऐसा ऐप जो आपकी हेल्थ और वेल्थ दोनों का ख्याल रखता है और आपको ढेर सारे रिवॉर्ड्स देके मोटिवेट तो करता ही है, साथ साथ हम एक हेल्थ
We
इंश्योरेंस
got a deal, on Shark Tank India. We got 5 million views, and our focus is now to get the 2 million users open their wallets and get 100 million on-chain transactions. We did this with celebrity collaboration as well.
Manvi Brad, I'm supposed to take Zumba classes here.
Zumba teacher.
Now why burn your cash when you can burn your calories and get rewarded? Use the GrowFitter app. Walk, run or cycle for 30 minutes daily and earn premium rewards.
And this is our real world brand. So we have brands who offer us free products. We have marquee of brands and would love if anybody would want to come to our warehouse and get some free products. So thank you and look forward to questions.
Yeah, Sam, thanks a lot. Yeah, I really enjoyed your pitch and I really impressed by your progress and how you approach everything. So yeah, I'm sure that your project will gain a lot of interest among our network. But let me check, probably some of our attending VCs would like to ask something or give any feedback. You can just unmute your microphone and go ahead. Okay. Yeah, I suppose that feedback we will provide after the pitch session. Thanks a lot again for joining us. Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and probably let me remind just quickly that every project on InnMind platform can submit startup for participating in our next pitch session episode. So just take your chance and be keeping updated on our platform. Yeah, and I suppose we can move forward with the next project, Polity Network. Let me check who will be.
Thank you very much. That's going to be me, Svetlana. Bear with me.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Perfect. Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah, we can see it. Good. Yeah, perfect. Go ahead.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you to InnMind for the opportunity as well. My name is Ben Baldieri. I am the Community Officer for Polity Network, and I am thrilled to introduce you to the platform that we have been building over the course of the past 2.5 years or so. So the Web3 space is burgeoning with innovation and potential, as we just saw from GrowFitter. There's some really interesting applications of this technology out there. However, there is a pretty significant issue, and that is fragmentation. It's not easy for users to navigate among the diverse options that they have available to them, and equally from an investment standpoint as well, it's not a particularly friendly user experience. This fragmentation exists in both the supply side and the demand side, which makes it equally difficult for enterprises to navigate this landscape and to really leverage the full potential of these decentralized technologies. And additionally, current infrastructure does not really meet the rigorous standards that are required by larger enterprises. So this is from a regulatory compliance standpoint, this is from a data security standpoint. They're just not up to scratch. It's just not suitable for the early majority and these bigger institutions, these larger investors to get involved. So at Polity Network, we are bridging that gap. Our platform consolidate supply and demand into one unified marketplace where enterprises can find reliable Web3 solutions. We provide enterprise-grade infrastructure that ensures robustness, scalability, and security, making it that much easier for businesses to integrate and ultimately benefit from decentralized technologies. Our platform is designed with both suppliers and enterprises in mind. For suppliers, we offer a comprehensive marketplace to showcase their solutions to a broader audience. And for enterprises, we provide a vetted selection of Web3 technologies, reducing the time and effort required for them to find suitable solutions. So there is this curation is a very important aspect here as well. There are loads of options available in the Web3 space, but understanding which ones are ultimately going to be suitable for enterprise investors is really, really important. And we provide this curated service whereby enterprises can log into our portal, will be able to log into our portal and know that what they are accessing has passed that initial test. It is satisfied. We are satisfied with where they are at. Our infrastructure is built to support large-scale operations, ensuring that businesses can trust and rely on our platform for their mission-critical needs. Now, the Web3 market is growing rapidly with a significant opportunity for early adopters to gain a pretty significant competitive edge. And by addressing the fragmentation and infrastructure challenges, Polity Network is positioned to become the go-to platform for enterprises that are looking to enter the Web3 space. We're looking to grow a network of core enterprise network participants through our multifaceted go-to-market strategy, and these enterprises in turn will then drive consumer adoption. We're proud to share that Polity Network is already making significant strides. We have gained a strong following on LinkedIn with over 1,100 followers who are actively engaged with our updates and developments, and this growing community is testament to the interest and demand for our solution in the market. We've also onboarded 30 plus key technology partners, including the likes of Polygon and R3 Corda. We've also closed out tranche A of our SAFT. We've obtained regulatory clearance, and we have successfully delivered the pre-alpha, among other milestones as well. The private alpha is nearing completion, with the private beta planned for validation towards the end of Q3 2024. So the important question, how does Polity Network actually create value? Polity Network creates long-term contributor value through quantifiable returns to both suppliers and consumers from the network and treasury revenues, with that value being captured and distributed through the POL token. So let's have a look at the tokenomics. Polity Network will have a total supply of 1 billion tokens. We ensure a balanced allocation for early supporters, team members, and future development, fostering a strong community. Significant tokens are reserved to incentivize early adopters and reward network participation, driving engagement and growth. Our tokens enable decentralized governance, allowing holders to vote on key network decisions, ensuring community-driven development. So ensuring the community is involved with this is incredibly important to us. Participants can stake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards, enhancing stability and long-term commitment. And in summary, our tokenomics create a sustainable ecosystem, aligning stakeholder interests and driving the adoption scalability of Polity Network while driving long-term contributor value. Our team is very experienced. I think we have a combined experience of 120 years across the various domains, from traditional finance, cybersecurity, blockchain natives, consulting, technology. And we've all been working together on this project for quite some time now. As mentioned at the beginning, roughly 2.5 years from inception to where we're at now. And to realize the full potential of Polity Network, we're inviting eligible investors to participate in the private sale of 2.5 billion USDT, tranche B of our SAFT. This investment will be allocated to key areas including development of the private beta, launch of the POL and WPOL tokens through our public auction and liquidity mining, and our auction is also structured such that SAFT investors will receive the proceeds of the auction in addition to their allocation of discounted POL tokens, generating both long-term and short-term value for them. Thank you very much. Open the floor to questions.
Yeah, Ben, thank you a lot for your great speech. Let me check if we have any questions for now. Let me check. Okay. I suppose, yeah, we will provide more feedback after pitch sessions. Thanks a lot for your participation. Delighted to see you. So yeah, we can move forward with the next pitch. The next project is Midle. I see okay. Hi, how are you doing?
It's all good, thank you.
Yeah, I hear you perfect. So yeah, you can share your screen.
Sure. Hi everyone. I am Berkay. I am CEO of Midle. So Midle is a Web3 based marketing platform that helps brands to boost their user acquisition, retention, and engagement. Basically, users completing some basic social media and on-chain tasks to boost their, earn some token NFT rewards, and brands creating these tasks to boost their user acquisition, retention, and engagement. So our platform is launched 1 year ago, actually 1.5 5 years ago, we just launched our beta version, and now we are live in the main version since 1 year. We have more than 250K users. All of these users are real and unique users because we are using 3 different layers of antibot solutions. So why we built Midle? Because we are coming from the digital marketing sector in Web2 ecosystem. And when we change our ecosystem to Web3 since so 3 or 4 years ago, we saw that there is some problem in the marketing of Web3 industry because you are just paying too much money to influencers, but you can't measure the data. Because of this, we built Midle, and you can measure all the data on Midle within our some quests. So why we different from our competitors? You know, we have too many competitors. We have some unique solutions that differs us from our competitors. So our platform is working effortless because when you subscribe to our system as a project, we are just providing you an account manager that handles all the stuff both of you. And our system creates automatically tasks when you post something on your social media. So you don't need to do anything. You are just subscribing to our system. And when you post something on your social media, our system automatically creates tasks for it, like this tweet, retweet this tweet, mention to this tweet. And our developers just integrating into your platform, and we can create some customized tasks for your platform. Other than this, we have some airdrop launcher feature. Most of the Web3 projects allocating some airdrop allocation to the users on their tokenomics, but they don't have solution like how they need to integrate into Twitter API, they need to integrate into some other social media APIs, they need to create some point system, but we already have this solution. And if they develop this solution, they need some users to attract for their airdrop. So we have the users and we have this development solution. So we are providing this solution to our partners. For example, on our platform, you can see live art airdrops, Space Mavericks airdrops on our website. So we are hosting their airdrop. For example, when the users complete all the tasks on here, they are earning some art points. According to these points, they are earning some live art airdrop, and according to Space Mavericks points, they will earn some Space Mavericks airdrop. And if the user doesn't have a time to complete all these tasks, if they stake Midle token, they will earn both of these tokens airdrops, because we are providing this solution to the projects who just wanna allocate some little portion of their airdrop to our stakers. So think it like when we launch our token, we will have some solution like this. If the users take some Midle tokens, they will earn some other projects airdrops like live art airdrops, Space Mavericks airdrops, and more it's to come. So we have other solutions like we have engagement card. It's just checking our users' behavior. If they complete the task and undoing the action, we are penalizing them, because this is one of the biggest problems in the Web3 marketing industry. And other than this, we are providing our Midle SDK to the projects who want to do their airdrop on their website. And we have our own KOL network, more than 1K KOLs in specific regions like Asia, Turkey. We are covering Europe, Latin America, etc. So we are providing our partner projects some KOL services too. So within this approach, we are not only boosting their social media engagement and token engagement, we are already boosting their influencer network too. So we are now launching our token. All things are ready. We just deployed our contract. We received grants from BNB Chain, Plena Finance, Nibiru Chain, Covalent HQ, and Telos. And we are part of Cointelegraph Accelerator and Albaraka Türk Accelerator. Cointelegraph is already shareholder of Midle's main company, and Albaraka Türk is one of the biggest traditional banks in Turkey. We have more than 20K daily active users, and we are partnered with big premium partners like Linea, Taiko, Cookie3, Polygon. We have too many partners like, OKX, Sandbox, Seisui, etc. So we are working with these projects, and we are working for their marketing activities. We agreed with Maxi and Gates. All the things are signed. Our market maker is Trillium Trading, and our FTV is 5 million for seed round. We only have allocation 175K from seed round. The all other rounds just committed or just raised. We raised more than $1.5 million, and we committed 400K for our other rounds. Our lead investor is Custom Capital. We raised some from other funds too. So this is Midle. Most probably we will launch at September. Actually, we just planned to launch in this month, but due to market conditions, like all other projects, we just postponed our launch. So if you have any questions, I can answer it directly. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, Berkay, thanks a lot for awesome presentation. Yeah, by the way, awesome progress, guys. So you have big, just amazing traction for partnerships. Also, yeah, while you're pitching, I see that Sanyu from Circle Fund join us. Just saying hi. Hi, Sanyu. Do you hear us? Okay, I suppose, yeah, right now a lot of kind of venture people traveling or in Brussels, so we are quite, yeah, understand and we'll share the projects after each session. Yeah, thanks a lot also Midle team. And also I saw that if him join us and we finish our pitch session with Snapster project, Telegram mini app, like it seems like a new blue ocean. So yeah, if you can start to share your screen and let's check that we hear you.
Yeah, hello everyone. Do you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, please share your screen.
Okay, great. Yeah, just a second.
Yeah, it's perfect. You can go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So I think I can also turn on my video. Yeah. Hello everyone. Nice to meet you here. My name is Efim. I'm one of the co-founders of Snapster. And Snapster is an easy-to-use Telegram application for trading tokens on decentralized exchanges. So now let me tell you a little bit more about it. As you probably know, meme coins are kind of hyped right now, and all other tokens during this hope not so short bull run. And the market is huge. It's like billions in trades weekly. However, it's still very hard to buy the token on the decentralized exchange. Even for pro traders, and especially it's very hard for the newbies, for retail traders. So because they have to perform so many actions in order to make their first trade, they need to find the token, they need to set up a wallet, get some crypto, connect the wallet to some decentralized exchange, and sign transaction, pay gas fees, and then eventually make the trade. It's very long and complicated. So we decided to solve this problem with Snapster, and we combined all the essential tools for trading on the centralized exchanges in a single application, and we put it inside a Telegram, which grants a very seamless user experience for the trader. Actually, the other trading bots like BonkBot, Banana Gun Bot, and others, they already do billions in trading volume in less than half a year, and they generate tens of millions dollars in revenue. But still, all of those have very poor UX because they don't have any UI. They have these text buttons bots inside Telegram, which is not very common for the retail user. So we decided to add a user interface to that. And we believe it will be the crucial thing to get a significant share of this market. And also we're gonna spice it up with all other features like on-ramp solution. We also integrate AI Copilot and our own, or maybe the external launchpad inside to build a fully scalable ecosystem inside the Snapster trading application. There are already several projects building the solving the similar problem. However, we believe that we're different because we make the main focus on the user experience, and basically we believe it's the most important thing to solve right now, because you know, like all the DeFi space is very cool, but still it's very hard to access for the majority of users. So we believe that the one who is able to solve this user experience issue will win this battle. So we make our bet on that. In terms of the business model, we will have several revenue streams. The main one will be, of course, the trading fees from the main trading activity, but also two other streams, which are token listings, similar to DEX Screener or DexView, if you're familiar with those, which generates them like $1 million in revenue every day because of the volumes. And also, we believe that we'll be able to earn a significant part of money from the launch fund itself. And we believe that in total, it will allow us to generate tens of millions of dollars in revenue yearly. And still, this market is like, it looks huge, but I mean, it's still very small comparing to other markets like meme coin volumes on centralized exchanges, like trillions yearly. And if we take all other like blue chip tokens and DEXs and SEXs combined, there are tens of trillions of dollars in trading volumes. And we believe that combining this potential with Telegram, which has more than 1 billion users, will allow the huge retail money inflow into the ecosystem. And we believe that this market will grow really fast in the next decade. And we already launched our waitlist application because our main trading app is still under development. But our waitlist app already gained more than 500,000 users after since 1 month. And daily active users that open our application daily is 150K. And the very important thing is that 60% of the whole user base was invited by the peers inside the application. We only started, but our points campaign, but we plan to launch our main trading application in 1 month. And then we will start with Zeton, the open network. And then we want to scale it to other blockchains as well, like Solana and Base. And then we'll add all other features like on-ramp solutions, AI Copilot, as I previously said. Yeah. In terms of marketing, we plan to enhance our point campaign with retro drops and also vampire attacks to other similar projects. And also we will build a referral system based on the trading fee sharing. And just before the token generation event, we will run the KOL round fundraise in order to boost the awareness of the project. Currently, there are 3 co-founders, and we all have we know each other for years, and we previously launched a couple of successful projects in the space. The largest one, I would say, is Crypto. It's one of the largest OTC crypto exchange in Georgia, which has more than $1 billion US dollars in trading volume for the last year. And also we have experience in launching NFTs. The largest collection we launched gained several millions in total fundraise, and tens of millions in secondary trading volume. And also we started to build inside Telegram ecosystem since the early days. Back in 2017, we had all the media channels, and we started development of some mini apps inside the Telegram since this technology arose. So we believe that our combined experience will allow us to build the best suitable product. And also we have senior developers with the stack of Solidity, Fancy, Rust, Golang, and other, which is essential for the development of such kind of products. And also our team is enhanced with a couple of advisors like Stefan from ex-Binance and BlackRock, Dr. Dmitry Mikhailov from University of Singapore, Rizzo from VR Capital, and Ksenia and Masha, who are like ex-CMOs of Rarible. And yeah, now we're raising our pre-seed round at 9 million valuation through Saft. And we're raising around $450,000 with 6 months clean and 12 months vesting. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you for your attention. I'm here to answer all the questions.
Yeah, awesome pitch, and really find your project very promising. So yeah, let me check if any VCs would like to give a feedback or ask some questions. You can just unmute your microphone and go ahead. Okay, I don't see the questions for now. Yeah, thanks a lot again, and we're really delighted to have such a great participants today as always, and also appreciate all audience and VCs that watching us online. Yeah, I suppose we can finish for now. Hope you will have a productive summer, because it seems like the next quarter will be really hot. And we also will be really happy to see you again at our next pitching episode by InnMind team. And also, of course, I should remind that we will share opportunities from today's pitching session with our active VC network. So hope to bring a lot of feedback and interest. Yeah. I suppose we can finish. Thanks a lot again. So have a great rest of the day. Take care.
And goodbye.